Good day, guys. In this video, we are going to talk about how to convert number in octal system all the way to number in decimal system. Numbers in octal system are said to be in base 8, while numbers in decimal system are said to be in base 10. So let's begin with an example to understand this concept. How can I convert 526 in base 8 all the way to number in base 10? So all we need to do in the first place is to transform the octal number to the power of its base. So what does that mean? It means we need to multiply each digit that makes up the octal system by its base. And that will be 5 times 8. However, we need to add them up. Plus 2 times 8 plus 6 times 8. Right now that we have transformed the octal system number to the power of its base, what we are going to do next is to assign an index to the base starting from the right hand side. However, the index has to be a number that will be starting from 0. So that will be 0, 1, 2. So right now we need to simplify, and our final simplification is our final result. So therefore, I'm going to have 5 times 8 squared means 8 times 8, and the result of 8 times 8 is 64. So I'm adding this. So 8 to the power of 1 is 8, plus 6 times 8 to the power of 0 is simply 1. Kindly keep in mind, anything goes to the power of 0 with a result of 1. So right now, I'm just going to multiply 64 by 5, and that should result in 320. So I'm adding that to 2 times 8. 2 times 8 is simply 16. And finally, 6 times 1, which is indeed equals to 6. So right now, I'm going to add everything together to have my final answer. And it turns out to be 342. And this is the final answer to this problem. Hopefully you grabbed that. Now let's consider more examples for easy understanding. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the red button, subscribe button, to subscribe to my channel so that you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you are enjoying this content, consider giving this content a thumbs up so as to help me reach a lot more audience. So pause the video and check this question out. If you have 6,735 to be in base 8, okay, my bad, I wrote 8, and you have to convert it to number in base 10, pause the video and try it out. So just like before, we need to expand the octal system with its base, adding the result together. So that's 6 times 8 plus 7 times 8 plus 3 times 8 plus 5 times 8. So having done that, I would assign an index to the base starting from the left or from the right hand side to see. But the base or the index will be starting from 0 then all the way upward. So right now I can begin the simplification. So let's expand. What is the value of 6 times 8 to the power of 3? First, let's find the value of 8 to the power of 3. So that should result in 512. That's 512. So I'm adding that to 7 times 8 to the power of 2. 8 raised to the 2 is simply 64. So finally, we should have 3 times 10 to the 8 to the power of 1, that's 8, plus 5 times 8 to the power of 0, that's 1. So 6 times 512, that's 3072, or 3072, like that. Then plus 7 times 64. 7 times 64 results in 448. Then finally, I'm adding that to 3 times 8. 3 times 8 will result in 24, and 5 times 1 will result in 5. So for the final result, I'm just going to add everything together to get the corresponding value of the octal system number in base 10. And ahead of having that to be 3,549 in base 10. And this is the final solution to this problem. And that's a quick and easy way to deal with problem involving the conversion of octal system to decimal system. One more example for this video for easy understanding. But I would suggest you pause the video and work this out yourself since you already understand the process. So let's begin. So that should be 3 times 8 plus 4 times 8 plus 2 times 8 plus 1 times 8. So what about the index? 0, 1, 2, 3. So right now, let me expand. So I'm going to have 3 times 8 to the power of 3. That's 8 times 8 times 8. That's 512. 512 plus 4 times 8 squared is 64. And plus 2 times 8, 8 raised to the 1 is 8. And 8 raised to the 0 is 1. So that should be 3 times 512. That results in 1,536. So I have 1,536 plus 4 times 64. 4 times 64. So I have 256 plus 256 plus 2 times 8. That's 16 plus 1 times 1. So finally, I'll just add everything up. 1,536 plus 256 plus 16 plus 1. So that end up being 1,809. Okay, and this is the final answer to this problem in this step. And that's how to easily and mentally deal with problem involving octal system being converted to decimal system. Hopefully you find this content helpful. Like I said earlier, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel to help me reach a lot more audience. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Okay, I suppose here is your practice problem. So you consider converting this to number in base 8. No, I'm writing 8. I want to write 5. I'm writing 8. Okay, in base 8. Convert this number in base 8 all the way to number in base 10. See you in the next video. Comment your solution in the comment section below for review. Thanks for watching. Take care.